Hi there. If you are clicking on this video, you are probably wanting to know how to use my refrigerator inventory spreadsheet. This is a super easy spreadsheet and it's on a part of a full line of food inventory checklist spreadsheets that I have. So if you want to know how much dairy you have in your refrigerator, fruit, meat, beverages, vegetables, snacks, grains, condiments, miscellaneous, and more, this is a great place to put all that information. Okay, so at the top, you can put your favorite grocery store. So you just delete it out, and then you can write your favorite grocery store. You can put your next grocery trip on here as well, and your date. Each one of these sections is completely customizable, so you can, scratch this out and you can put non-dairy or whatever category you want. And then everything, if you uncheck these, you can start over, highlight it all, and delete it. And you can start fresh. So you can put, milk, eggs, cheese, anything you want. And then you can put the quantity. So if you have 0, put in 0. The amount is none. And the expiration date would be this. And then, so then you just can move on and check things off as you purchase it and have everything in stock. You can have a place for notes. So if you want to, have a goal of meal prep on Saturdays, and then you have a shopping list here too, so you can check things off. And then if you wanted to print this off, you can just hit File, Print, Current Sheet, Portrait, and then Fit to Width. And then it'll print everything out for you. And then if you uncheck everything, then you can just have this as a clean slate and write everything down. This probably would work well in a tablet as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. If you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description below to purchase the spreadsheet. Thanks, guys.